Good day everyone, I am Jessica Lubonayag and I'm from STEM 11 YA-5 and now I'll teach you how to solve operation on functions. Let's start! The operation on functions. But before we start, let me welcome you my awesome students. Let's work together, do our best to learn as much as we can, and respect and support each other through all the challenges. Let us do this. But before starting our lesson, let me share some quote. Math can be related to our lives. It teaches us to always be careful with the science. But before we proceed, let us tackle what is operation on functions. A function is an expression that defines a relationship between one variable and another variable. This relation is written as y is equals to f of x, which is read as f of x or function of x. The domain set is the set of values that x can take upon such that the function is well defined. And the range set is the set of all values obtained for y. Operation on functions is algebra of functions deal with different operations related to functions. There are mainly four types of operations that take place between any two functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. But in this video, we will just focus on addition and subtraction. The addition of function. The addition of function involves the creation of a new function through the addition of two other functions. In order to define the addition function, we just follow the rule that quantity f plus g of x is equals to f of x plus g of x. So let us proceed in our examples. So for our example number 1 in addition on functions, we have a given here which is f of x is equals to 2x plus 4, g of x is equals to x squared plus 9x, m of x is equals to 4x plus 3, and k of x is equals to 9x squared plus x. So, ang example number 1 po natin is f of x plus g of x. So, since may given na po tayo dito sa itaas, kailangan na lang po natin siyang i-substitute. F of x is equals to 2x plus 4 plus g of x is equals to x squared plus 9x. So, bago po tayo mag-add, hanapin po muna natin yung kailangan mauunang term, which is yung x squared. May like term po ba ang x squared? Wala po, kaya kailangan i-bring down lang po natin siya. Then, ang next po is 2x. May like term po ba ang 2x? Yes po, meron po, which is yung 9x. 2x plus 9x is equals to 11x. May like term po ba ang positive 4? Wala po, kaya i-bring down lang din po natin. Ito na po yung final answer natin. X squared plus 11x plus 4. So, f of x plus g of x is equals to x squared plus 11x plus 4. We still have the same given po, which is ito sa taas. So, for our example number 2 is m of x plus k of x. So, i-substitute na po natin. M of x is equals to 4x plus 3 plus k of x is equals to 9x squared plus x. So, katulad po ng ginawa natin kanina, kailangan po muna natin hanapin yung kailangan maunang term, which is yung 9x squared. Then, ito po yung next, which is 4x. May like term po ba ang 4x? Yes po, meron po, which is yung x. 4x plus x is equals to 5x. Then, since wala pong like term yung 3, i-bring down lang po natin siya. So, our final answer is 9x squared plus 5x plus 3. So, m of x plus k of x is equals to 9x squared plus 5x plus 3. So, moving on for our example number 3 on addition on functions. So, we have f of x plus m of x. So we still have the same given from example number 1 and example number 2. So isubstitute natin. F of x is equals to 2x plus 4 plus m of x is equals to 4x plus 3. So, katulad lang po ng ginawa natin sa example number 1 and example number 2, kailangan natin hanapin ang magka-like terms. So, ang ka-like terms ng 2x is ang 4x. 2x plus 4x is equals to 6x. So, may ka-like term ang positive 4 which is yung positive 3. So, positive 4 plus positive 3 is equals to positive 7. So, ang sagot natin is 6x plus 7. So, for our example number 3, f of x plus m of x is equals to 6x plus 7. The subtraction of functions. The subtraction of function involves the creation of a new function through the subtraction of two other functions. In order to define the subtraction function, we just follow the rule that quantity f minus g of x is equals to f of x minus g of x. Moving on for our example number 1 in subtraction on functions. So we still have the same given in addition, which is f of x is equals to 2x plus 4, g of x is equals to x squared plus 9x, m of x is equals to 4x plus 3, and k of x is equals to 9x squared plus x. So, isa-substitute na po natin. F of x is equals to 2x plus 4 minus, lalagay po tayo ng parentheses para hindi po maiba yung final answer natin. G of x is equals to x squared plus 9x. So, bago po tayo mag-proceed, ipagta-times po natin yung negative sa second term. 2x, ikakopy lang po natin, 2x plus 4, negative times positive x squared is equals to negative x squared. Negative times positive 9x is equals to negative 9x. So, ayan na po. Pwede na po tayo mag-proceed sa pagka-calculate. Ang first term po na kailangan natin hanapin is yung may exponent, which is yung negative x squared po. So, i-bring down lang po natin siya. Negative x squared. So, ito na po yung next, which is yung walang exponent, pero may variable po. So, may like term po ba ang 2x? Meron po, which is yung negative 9x. Positive 2x plus negative 9x is equals to negative 7x. So, since wala nang like terms, ang positive 4, i-bring down lang natin. So, negative x squared plus 7x plus 4 ang final answer natin. So, f of x minus g of x is equals to negative x squared minus 7x plus 4. So, for our example number 2 in subtraction on functions, we still have the same given for from example number 1. So, isa-substitute na po natin. M of x minus k of x. M of x is equals to 4x plus 3. Minus, so, ang sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan maglalagay ng parentheses para hindi maiba yung sign ng final answer natin. So, k of x is equals to 9x squared plus x. So, bago tayo mag-proceed, i-bring down po natin yung first term. Then, ipagta-times po natin ito. Negative times positive 9x squared is equals to negative 9x squared. Negative times positive x is equals to negative x. So, hanapin po muna natin yung first term natin, which is yung may exponent. Ang may exponent po dito is ito, negative 9x squared. So, i-bring down po natin yan. So, hanapin po natin yung may isang like term, which is 4x and negative x. 4x plus negative x is equals to positive 3x. So, since wala nang ka-like term yung 3, i-bring down na lang din natin. So, ang final answer po natin is negative 9x squared plus 3x plus 3. So, for example number 2, m of x minus k of x is equals to negative 9x squared plus 3x plus 3. So, moving on po for our example number 3 on subtraction on functions, we have f of x minus m of x. We still have the same given from example number 1 and example number 2. So, f of x minus m of x, isubstitute na po natin. F of x is equals to 2x plus 4. Then, ang sabi ko nga, maglalagay tayo ng parenthesis after ng minus kasi pag hindi tayo naglagay, may iba yung final answer natin. May iba yung sign ng final answer natin. So, m of x is equals to 4x plus 3. So, i-bring down lang po natin ito, 2x plus 4. So, ipagtatimes po natin yung negative sa second term natin. Negative times 4x is equals to negative 4x. Negative times positive 3 is equals to negative 3. So, hanapin po natin yung like terms, which is yung 2x and negative 4x. 2x plus negative 4x is equals to negative 2x. And yung isang like term po natin is positive 4 and positive 3. So, positive 4 plus negative 3 is equals to positive 1. So, ang final answer po natin is negative 2x plus 1. So, for our example number 3, f of x minus m of x is equals to negative 2x plus 1. So, before ending our discussion, let's have an activity. I will give you some time to solve for this. You can pause the video if you want. Time's up. So, let's solve for our question number 1. So, since may given na tayo dito sa gilid, isa-substitute na lang natin. F of x is equals to x raised to the 4th power plus x squared. Plus g of x is equals to 4x squared plus 5x minus 2. So, before adding po, hanapin natin yung first term, which is yung may exponent, tapos may pinakamataas na exponent, which is yung x raised to the 4th power. And ang like term po ng x squared is 4x squared. So, x squared plus 4x squared is equals to 5x squared. Since walang like term ang 5x, i-bring down lang natin. And then, wala ring like term ang negative 2, so i-bring down natin. So, ang final answer natin sa number 1 is x raised to the 4th power plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 2. So, f of x plus g of x is equals to x raised to the 4th power plus 5x squared plus 5x minus 2. So, moving on for our question number 2, m of x plus k of x. So, isa-substitute lang din po natin. M of x is equals to 5x minus 9 plus k of x is equals to 3x squared plus x minus 8. So, ang sabi ko nga kanina sa example, hanapin lang natin yung first term, which is yung may exponent, which is positive 3x squared. Then, hanapin natin yung may like term, which is yung 5x, and then yung x. 5x plus x is equals to 6x. Then, may like term din yung negative 9, which is yung negative 8. Negative 9 plus negative 8 is equals to negative 17. So, for our problem number 2, m of x plus k of x is equals to 3x squared plus 6x minus 17. So, moving on, for our problem number 3 is g of x minus k of x. So, i-substitute natin. G of x is equals to 4x squared plus 5x minus 2 minus parenthesis 3x squared plus x minus 8. So, bago natin i-solve, i-bring down natin yung first. So, negative times positive 3x squared is equals to negative 3x squared. Negative times positive x is equals to negative x. Negative times negative 8 is equals to positive 8. So, hanapin natin yung may like term. 4x squared, then negative 3x squared. 4x squared plus negative 3x squared is equals to x squared. Then, yung may like term naman is 5x, then yung negative x. So, 5x plus negative x is equals to 4x. Then, yung isa nating may like term is negative 2 and positive 8. Negative 2 plus positive 8 is equals to positive 6. So, for our problem number 3, g of x minus k of x is equals to x squared plus 4x plus 6. So, lastly, our problem number 4 is f of x minus m of x. So, let's substitute f of x is equals to x raised to the 4th power plus x squared minus parentheses m of x 5x minus 9. So, ika-copy natin. Then, negative times positive 5x is equals to negative 5x. Negative times negative 9x is positive 9x. So, since wala pong ka-like term yung mga term natin dito, ito na po yung final answer natin. So, problem number 4, f of x minus m of x is equals to x raised to the 4th power plus x squared minus 5x plus 9. I hope you learned something from my vlog, and if you have questions, don't hesitate to ask it in comment section and I'll explain it to you briefly. Good luck! Thank you for watching!